Heck yeah, that was a good one.
Yo, how's it going, everyone? February 11th, yesterday, I ran out and bashed the Traxxas Hoss for about 45 minutes. Had a great time. One thing that has happened a couple times is if you take a certain hard landing, even if you land on all four wheels, sometimes this battery latch will come undone. That's not a good thing. Luckily, I have not had it to the point where it's disconnected my batteries and actually dislodged the battery from the truck. But after watching Tony's CCxRC, he drilled a hole through this latch right here and put an Allen wrench through it. Now this, I made sure it was a small enough hole that this is very stiff. I have to pull some pressure to get it in and out. So we're going to see how that works and see how that holds up. Try to look into something different like Velcro strap. But for now, let's go see if this Allen wrench holds up and keeps this battery in place. Let's go have some fun.
We got some snow coming in. I think 6 to 8 inches, so I want to try to get out here and have a little bit of fun today. Like I said, I was out yesterday. For about 45 minutes, and the battery came unhooked a little bit. Or not a little bit, it did come unhooked. Luckily the battery didn't dislodge. Heck yeah, that was a good one. Heck yeah, so hopefully this works. Like I said, it came undone, so wanted to try something. Oh, that was kind of my fault there. Sheesh.
Alright guys, here we are after taking many flips over a couple times, hard landings, and she's still in place there. So, looks like it's alright. Still holding. If you guys have the Hoss and you've had that issue, maybe it'll work out for you. Other than that, guys, thanks for stopping in. Always appreciate the support. Until next time, we'll see ya.